What's up, everybody? It's your girl Elise. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best tasting protein shake. The first thing you're going to need is Ghost Whey Protein Chips Ahoy. Now, just that alone does not taste good. It doesn't. So I'm just going to keep it a buck with you. It doesn't. Now, what you're going to need are, I was going to say a cup of milk, but we have no milk. So give me 1 second. All right, so I'm finally back a million years later. Okay, so now we're gonna get started. You're gonna need a cup of milk, preferably whole milk or just milk that has 8 grams of protein in it. Then you're gonna need 3 Oreo cookies. Yes, regular Oreos are fine. Then you're gonna add ice. I always add 3 ice cubes just to not overwhelm the blender. Do not add your protein powder. The protein powder has cookies in it, so you don't want to blend up the cookies and then just have like this weird milky consistency. No, add it after. While this is blending, you're gonna see like exactly what I mean about the ice cubes. Honestly, if you guys have a better blender than me, you guys can add more just so that you have more of a milkshake consistency, because that's the goal at the end of the day. You want it to taste and basically feel like you're drinking a milkshake. It does taste like a cookies and cream milkshake, and you'll see after you try this recipe. Then you're gonna get your cup that you use for like your protein shakes and all that stuff, or just a regular cup. You're gonna pour this into it. You kind of want a milkshake consistency, but like obviously that's the best I'm gonna get with how little ice I used. Then you're gonna grab your Ghost Chips Ahoy. So this already has 8 grams of protein. I'm gonna add this, is gonna be 25 grams. So 1 scoop, boop. Okay, then you're going to shake it up. And then there we have it. Then there we have it. We have a actual cookies and cream milkshake. I am gonna add more ice next time. I'm not gonna add more ice. I'm sorry. You guys can add more ice for like a thicker consistency. I like how like kind of watered down it is. It's easy to drink. I'm a picky eater, so that's saying something. Enjoy the rest of your day. I never normally add whipped cream, but it's bomb.